As I'm sure many of you know by now, it has been an entire year since the HUNGA TONGA volcano in the southwest Atlantic erupted, sending shockwaves literally around the entire globe. In fact, this was an animation made showing how fast this thing actually went around the globe. Take a look at this. It's incredible. And we're not just talking hours here. We're talking days, like multiple days. This shockwave went around and around the world. Now, clearly, this was one of the biggest stories in the news and in the world at the time, so I'm sure many of you know exactly where this place is, but I want to show you something interesting. And then I've also collected a bunch of the videos taken of this thing going off. Now, what I wanted to do here was show you the difference of what this place looks like now compared to before this eruption. This image here was taken back in December of 2020, and just take a look at what is actually there compared to what's there now. It's incredible. And that's nothing compared to what this thing did around the world. This eruption caused tsunamis and was considered one of the biggest blasts the world has ever seen. Not just parts of the world, but the entire world. And in fact, these areas you see right here that look like the tsunami buoys, these were all the areas that actually did receive some sort of tsunami from this volcanic blast. And you know, it's crazy. A year later, I remember thinking to myself, how could something like this just happen? I mean, of course, we've had our giant volcanoes go off. We've had massive earthquakes throughout history. Many natural disasters, but just something of this magnitude that affected so many different places. It was basically the entire Pacific Ocean and some that was affected by this one volcano that, believe it or not, is called a submarine volcano, which means it was completely underwater, and it only breached the sea level back in 2009 due to an eruption. So it's not like we didn't know this thing was there. We knew it was there. But it seems like not many people, even scientists, knew just how dangerous or crazy of an eruption that not just this particular volcano, but any volcano could have. Bottom line, my friends, this thing will go down in history for sure, forever. You'll never not hear about the HUNGA TONGA volcano and the date of the eruption. I actually do have another video about this coming out soon, where there could be a connection with the sun. I'll explain that in the video, and we'll go from there because it's some pretty exciting stuff. All right, my friends, it's good to see you all again. If you don't see a video posted tomorrow morning, tomorrow afternoonish, you'll see me tomorrow night for sure. Shout out to Canada, my friends, and I will talk to you all in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye. Stop right there, my friends. If you have not already, click that subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Click all and you will get all notifications from this channel. And trust me, you won't be disappointed.